In this video I'm about to show you the chorus of Enter Sandman, and make sure to stay till the very end because I'm not only showing you the riff that's going on but also some fancy licks which are going on there. The thing is, two guitars in Metallica, James Hetfield and Kirk Hammett, and I tried to melt it together to one guitar, but first of all I will show you the rhythm guitar part of James Hetfield. And now we start with the chorus of Enter Sandman. We start with an F sharp power chord, 2nd fret E string, 4th fret A string. I like to play it with pinky and index. You can also play it with index and ring finger. Same. Let it ring, and then you go to the C power chord, which is in the 3rd fret of the A string and the 5th fret of the D string. And then you slide 1 fret lower to the 2nd and 4th fret to the B power chord. So it's you hit it once and then you slide down without hitting the strings again. So F sharp, C, B, F sharp, C, B, F sharp, C, B, and then the E power chord by hitting the low E string and the A string, pushing down 2nd fret A string. A lot of gain going on there, a lot of distortion on my sound. I love it for that song. Ending riff. It's G, open E string, so G power chord, open E string, F sharp power chord, open E string, F sharp, and G, F sharp with a slide, and then we go to the main riff again. In terms of frets, it's 3, 0, 2, 0, 2, 3, 2, and the riff. And don't forget to slide from the last G to the F sharp. Now. And then the riff. You know. So, let's play the whole thing. I promise you some nice fancy licks which you can add while the E power chord rings. So, let me show you. Okay, when this part comes, you hit the E power chord, and I like to mute and hit the low note again. Okay, E power chord, then muted low string, and then going to the 5th fret of the D string with the pinky, 2nd fret D string, and then 2nd fret G string, 2nd fret D string again, and then 4th fret G string and 5th fret D string again. So it's 5, 2, 2, 2, 4, 5. 5, 2, 2, 2, 4, 5. 5, 2, 2, 2, 4, 5. And then again. And when the second time E power chord emerges, again hitting the power chord, and then it's the same principle. Power chord, hitting the low note, muted, and then 5, 2, 5, 2, 2, 2. So 5th fret D string again, second fret, 5th fret, 2nd fret, and then 2, 2 on the G and D string. So the whole thing. This is a lot of mixture between Kirk Hammett and James Hetfield's part. If you have trouble with those licks, don't play them. Just let the chord ring and just go for the original James Hetfield version. But if you're an advanced player, you might add those licks by Kirk Hammett so you don't have to let ring that E power chord all the time. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you learned a lot here, and make sure to check out the other parts of the Enter Sandman video, which you find in the video description below this video. There I put a link to the playlist so you can see and learn all the parts of Enter Sandman and learn everything you need to get a cool sounding guitar for that song. And if you're new to the world of guitar playing, shame on you, but better last than never. So make sure to check out my free lessons for beginners, which you also find in the video description. I would love to see you there too. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Hannes, and we see us in the next video. Bye bye.